How much do you think it's gonna cost? No, look at this. I'm used to ginger looking like that. What is this? This is scary. What is this? Fresh Atlantic salmon, and this one is for $9.59. Maybe I buy vanilla already while we stand up and look for vanilla.
Okay, you in a rush? Are you hungry or something? This is who I married? Is this really who I married? I want my money.
What money?
I want my receipt. I want to return you.
Return me?
Yes.
Why?
Time I take up marriage life and I'll change the bread when I eat.
Hey fam, today we are grocery shopping and I'm gonna be taking you on the journey with me. But before we go, we have a running list, grocery list that we go and tick off to see what we have here and what we'll need to get. Sean is over there. I'm excited to take you so that you can see what groceries like, and let's see like what's the cost, because things are expensive these days everywhere. Like everywhere. So we're gonna be visiting the grocery store, several of them actually, to get the things that we want, and then we'll see what the grand total is. Comment below and tell me, when you go grocery shopping, do you just go to one place or do you usually get different things in different places? Because that's what I do. That's what I've been doing from when I was living in Jamaica. I never ever get every single thing in one place. So it's the same here. So come on the road with me. Let's go. Let's go. So now we're inside and I have to consult my list. So there are carrots here and they range from $1.99, actually from 99 cents to $3.99. But we're gonna get those at Whole Foods because it's cheaper there apparently. We're looking at strawberries, blackberries, blueberries, raspberries, but I don't have the big strawberries, just the small ones, and this is for $4.99. There's a big plate of raspberries here. $6.99. I got this blueberry and this is for $4.49. That's it for the fruits. There are pineapple chunks here for $3.99, but shall we get the whole pineapple instead, right?
I think wait on the pineapple.
Only a few items we're getting here. As I said, we go to different supermarkets for different things, so we have very specific things that we get here. And one of them is this chocolate milk that I love so much. So good. And we're getting chicken. What I realized is that the chicken with the bones are cheaper than the chicken without the bones. So for example, like this boneless thigh is for $8.15 and this thigh with the bone is $2.91. The salmon over here is fresh Atlantic salmon, and this one is for $9.59. So we're gonna get one pack. We use a lot of coconut milk, so we usually get the coconut milk here at Trader Joe's, and they have the coconut cream, coconut milk, and then a non-fat one. And the cream is $2.49, the reduced fat is $1.79, and the regular is $1.99, and they're all organic. And we use a lot of coconut milk, so we usually buy a lot, and it's actually good. Alright, so this is basically our card for Trader Joe's before we head to the next stop. But I want you guys to comment below and tell me, how much do you think this is all gonna cost? How much do you think it is? How much do you think is in the cart? Not a lot of things in there.
About 62.
62? I say $40.
Okay.
Like closer to 40. Alright, so let's head to the cashier and see how much it actually costs.
Jonathan, look in the cart. We made a bet. Or not a bet, but we guessed how much all this is gonna come to. My guess was about $60, hers was about 40. What do you think?
50.
About 50?
Wow.
Okay.
Alright, let's see. Alright, we're at $10, $12.59 so far. And that's what we have. 43.
$53.44.
Oh my gosh, you were the closest. It's $53.44. So what was your guess? Were you closer? Were you closer than I was? Were you oh my God, I can't believe the guy got it.
You're actually further than I was by $2.
No.
Can I leave the cart here? Strong, independent woman?
Yes, thank you. So we're now at this place. It's called New Saigon International Market. And this is where we usually get a lot of the Caribbean things to purchase. Let me show you. See, they have these things that they sell in Jamaica, like these Ovaltine cookies. And they have Excelsior water crackers. And
sugar bun?
Sugar bun? Where? No, I'm not gonna steal. No, I'm not gonna do none.
Golden crust.
Yeah, sugar bun. Like they have the Grace cock soup and the island spice seasoning and the mackerel and these things, you know? The things that we're used to getting in Jamaica. So I'm very happy about that. We're happy that this place exists, yes?
There's no freaking browning.
There's no browning?
No, but them have this brown stew seasoning.
I've never seen this before. Spur Tree, Jamaica. I know the brand, Spur Tree. I've never seen a brown stew. I feel like the browning was around here the last time. I'm not seeing the Shirley. Ooh, lie. Shirley biscuit.
What if it can work and we don't have to go to Myrtle Beach?
The only way to know is to try. Today?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to Myrtle Beach today for one browning. That's like a hour 45 minutes to
journey. Browning and 2 fish.
For browning and 2 fish. You think that's worth it, guys? Let's get the Shirley. Let's get 2. Alright, so we're gonna try this browning. It's not browning, it's called brown stew seasoning. Hold it up. Brown stew seasoning. Guys, comment below and tell me if you've ever seen it or heard of it. Used it. Like, is it any good? Let us know. So mackerel is $1.59. So I think that this is everything, right? Do we need anything else? Jamaican yellow yam over there.
Yellow yam's cheaper here than in Myrtle Beach.
Yeah? How much is it in Myrtle Beach?
Like $5 a pound. Wow. Hey, Martha, don't come for me.
$3.49 here. And I have ube. Purple yam is called ube. I didn't know that. For $3.99. I want you guys to take a quick pause with me right here, and tell me, what is this?
It's overgrown ginger.
No, look at this. You see, I'm used to this.
Mutated.
I'm used to ginger looking like that. What is this? This is scary. And they said this one says organic, and this one says fresh.
This one says overgrown.
Look at it, look at, what is this? That's like a hand.
A huge hand.
That's a whole hand. Have you guys ever had eggplant? If so, what is it like? And jackfruit. I don't like the smell of jackfruit. It's too pungent. But here are some fruits.
Yes.
Plum in a babe.
Can I make plum juice? I'm little up. I'm going to blend up the whole thing.
Them plum that little. They have potato leaf. Shanghai bok choy. You know how we say pop chow? Pop choy.
A garden vegetable callaloo name?
Well, it's grown in a garden, so. He got green bananas. Hey. All right, so this is what we have in the cart now. How much do you think the cart is gonna come to?
About 28.
28? Okay, I'm gonna make a guess and I'm gonna say 30. What's your guess? How much do you think it's gonna cost? 20.95, 22.97. How much did you say?
28.
Did you guess that?
Yes.
Really?
You added it to. So the bill actually came to $28.85. Sean guessed 28, I guessed 30, so he's the winner for this. But what did you guess? Did you guess 28 or anything close to 28? Comment below and let me know. We're doing good. We still have 2 more stops to go. We're now inside of the African store looking for browning. There we go, Benjamin.
Artificial flavoring. Why is it everything artificial flavoring?
Plantains.
Oh, that's what we did. Alright, I think it's good now.
Yep. Oxtail for $14. Snapper.
$10 pound though.
I forgot to ask you guys to guess how much that bill was gonna come to, but Sean guessed it anyways. And again, and it was $25 and some change. So we are now at Whole Foods. It's starting to feel a lot colder than it was when we just left out. That's the thing. You start off with the one temperature and then you end up with like a whole different temperature. It's like so much colder. Whole Foods should be a quick in and out. Look at these strawberries, they're so much bigger.
I get a kale, more like one little thing of kale. But now a smoothie also with the fruits.
And now, like, to figure out how to open this. So the trick is to get my hand wet from something, and then the bag opens easier. And look at that. Because you know how the bag always is so hard to open? So these are seedless red grapes for $2.99 per pound. The scale is here. That's 2.5 pounds. These plantains look good.
They have a greenish thing to them. Want a mango?
I guess we can put it in the smoothie.
What kind of mango this?
Bombay.
That's true?
I don't know. I was just saying. What kind of mango is it?
I don't know, but it grew up Peru. I feel like every mango tastes the same way, you know? You don't think so?
No, they all taste very different. What?
Me think every mango tastes the same
East
way.
Indian tastes different from Julie tastes
No, the
different
texture may different, but I don't think them taste different.
from Blackie that tastes different. What? Everything tastes different. Guys, don't you think that every mango tastes different? Like, does all the mangoes taste the same to you? Like, I think that they have distinct taste. Comment below and let me know if you think they taste the same. Oh, what I like about Whole Foods is that you can get the peanut butter like on spot, where you put the peanuts in this machine and it grinds it into butter. And they have some already done here. Shooting for TikTok as well, so let's do that. So I have a container. Are we doing regular or honey roasted peanuts?
Regular, please.
Okay, so we're gonna put it there. Let's try to. All right, let's go again. When I came in here, I said it was a quick in and out because we're coming for like 1 or 2 things, and look at us.
Got everything on the face of the earth.
We got everything except what we actually came in here for. So actually looking for the coconut condensed milk now and the non-dairy waffles. And we got the carrots. Yeah, I think they're here. Somewhere here. Yeah.
Plant-based right in front of you. That blueberry and have original.
Blueberry waffles. All right, so how much do you think this one come up to? How much do you think it come up to? I said $26.
I say 30.
All right, guys, let me know in the comment section below how much you think this cart is gonna come to. So it's $33.23. And again, Sean won. He's closer to it. I said 25 and he said 30. See, I'm starting to think that he's cheating, right? Right? You're cheating.
No, I just know how to gauge what to buy.
If you know the place.
Sure.
You've been here a million years. But guys, look, it's nice.
And it's only, what time is it?
It's dark and it's about after 5, maybe 6. It is 5:55 p.m. It's actually darker in person than it is on the camera. For some reason, the camera is showing it properly. We're doing good. So on to the next stop where we're gonna get organic honey.
That's a half pint.
That's a half pint. I sold all my pints.
So this would be a pint.
That'd be a pint.
That'd be $11.
Yeah, I'll give that to you. That's $20 there. That's a quart.
A quart for 20. All right, so 11 or 20?
I don't know.
I'll tell you what, I give away little small jars. I'll give that to you right now. You can taste it first.
Okay.
It's good stuff.
I'm down with it. Yeah, let me taste it.
So guys, $20, $11. Which should we get?
I think the $20 makes sense.
How long have you been keeping
about
bees?
7-8 years now. Ooh. I got 140 gallons this year.
Wow.
Ooh.
Have you ever been stung by a bee?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It says
Does it happen often?
I get used to it.
You get used to it? Okay, it tastes like honey.
Yeah.
Right, that's the real deal. It's not
some good honey.
It's not the store.
It's not pasteurized.
What's the process?
My process, I just run it through a centrifugal force thing, the frames, and that goes down into through 2 strainers. The first one's about the size of a window screen, and then there's one smaller than that. It's stainless steel mesh. That's it.
Wow.
So there's probably still, little bits of pollen and stuff in there.
Yeah.
Which is supposed to be good for you.
Yeah, but nothing added.
No.
Yeah, organic,
Oh,
fresh,
yeah.
green. Oh, so here's the bee farm. Bee boxes. So there are bees inside of them now?
Yep. And in the middle, there's a ball of bees in there, and in the middle of it, it's 92 degrees.
How?
Even they flap their wings and they eat their honey to do that. That's their energy.
Yeah.
And they can keep that ball of bees at 92 degrees.
So they produce the honey and eat the honey?
Yep.
That is so
Yeah, they put it up.
That's cool.
That's their survival through the winter, is what the honey that they store up. But they make more than they need. So that lets the beekeeper take the excess.
So we got the honey for $20 plus a small jar, which made it feel like it's worth it. And now we're at the last stop of the night, which is Walmart. I am so tired right now and I'm just ready to be in bed. Let's go get the last set of groceries and then we can head home. In here so warm and bright, you can see us clearly. Oh Lord, 60 cents for the, for the avocado. And in Trader Joe's it was $1.39, remember? 68 cents here. I hope they're real. I hope it's actual avocado. So we need eggs, bread.
What's that?
The garlic.
Okay. $6.
So in the laundry aisle, and we need to get a laundry detergent.
What is she doing?
Smell good. Island fresh. Not bad.
This is who I married? Is this really who I married?
It's not bad enough. It smells like laundry.
Wow.
Okay, let's go over here
I'm
and
not the
smell
only one
this one.
seeing this. What's going on right now? This is Somebody tell me what is this? With me as I make an escape.
Tun, 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 tun. Tun, 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 tun. We eat a lot of graham crackers.
She eats a lot of graham crackers.
We're getting graham crackers. So we're getting plant butter made from avocado oil.
I say this is foolishness.
What is foolishness?
I want my money.
What money?
I want my receipt. I want to return you.
Return me?
Yes.
Why?
Time I take up marriage life and I'll change the bread when I eat.
What do you mean? What do you mean?
Me there in the supermarket and we there literally in one aisle for 5 minutes. I discuss whether or not I'm going to try a whole new bread.
So what's wrong with that?
We can't just do regular bread.
No, we will try something else and see. And I'm gonna try this honey wheat bread.
You see, before me they married, all the dollar bread me take up. I'm just good to go with that.
Well, today we're gonna try $4 bread.
Hey, my guy, how you get your mustache to do that, man?
Beeswax.
Beeswax.
Oh,
So just rub it in it and...
Yeah, I heat it up with a hairdryer first so it gets soft.
Oh, somebody bad. So does it stay that way like the whole day? Wow. Man, that's pretty cool. Can I get you on my YouTube channel?
Sure, that's fine.
Okay,
You
hello.
can give him a smile, man.
Hey.
What's your name?
Sean.
Sean. That's cool, man. My name is Sean too.
Really?
Yeah, SHAWN.
Same.
That's cool.
No way.
Yeah, that's cool. This is my wife, Rochelle.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Well, she has a YouTube channel, and we are vlogging our shopping experience.
Sounds good. Well, enjoy
Yeah.
your Walmart run.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, babe,
Yes, ma'am.
now that we decide on the bread, can we go?
See it there, babes. This is that one your keto 40 calories. But not no.
No, they look bon.
Oh, babes, feel like bread. Yo, all of them healthy something, yeah, them just done good.
Them tough bread tough.
Them
Come
healthy
on,
something,
let's
yeah,
go
them
look for. We're
good.
looking for
Babe.
agave now, babe, and agave and
Babes. Man, I like it. I'm telling you the truth.
barbecue sauce.
Well, that bread
You
are
see,
nice.
so he's complaining about me being taking forever in the bread aisle, and look at that.
Come, let's go. You don't like bagels, babes?
I don't like, no, not really a big bagels fan.
What you say?
You just like get trouble. Come no man, can you not take it up?
Yeah,
Me
good
say, him get trouble, you see?
She said, me support clean and clean and
Yeah, clean, they wash your meat. What's in the fan, the agave? Babe, we don't need nothing right here, sir, no?
We need this.
Alright, we need it, get it.
Well, I just don't put it in there yet.
We need it or we don't need it?
We need it, but you know,
You get too much trouble in a Sean, come on.
babe, look at vanilla flavor, yeah? Dollar cheaper
So
than
vanilla extract,
cheaper than Benjamin. It's real vanilla, you know.
You can't stay there at Walmart, you can say it real. Baby, I buy vanilla already. Why we stand up and look for vanilla?
Okay, you in a rush? Are you hungry or something?
I am, actually.
Well, go feed your appetite.
I'd love to, so let's go. Guys, so we're finally at the end of our shopping journey and we're by the cash register. And I need you to tell me how much you think this cart is going to come up to. Let's start with Sean. How much do you think this is in this cart? What do you think?
Too much.
Too much? Well, how much do you think it's gonna come to? My guess is $85. What's your guess? Take a look and tell me what you think. See, it's not that many, it's not that much things. If you really think about it, look at that. It's not that much. How much do you think? The final cost is $128.85, which means that I'm closer.
No, you said it. You know what? Take that one. The first one all day.
Yeah, it's been a long evening, but guess what? It's a fulfilling one too. It's something I actually look forward to doing. Oh, we are back home now. I just got in and I'm about to eat and unpack the grocery. But guess what happened, guys? Remember the honey that we bought not too long ago?
The $20 honey?
The $20 big bottle of honey. It just dropped. It broke. So now we have to throw it away. So we are without honey again. This is some of the damage that has been done. There. We bought food there, bag over there, we have bags here, we have bag over there, and Sean already started packing the fridge.
Alright, so everything else is gonna wait until I'm done eating.
Okay, put all the things that need to go in the fridge And we're gonna have Chick-fil-A for dinner. So I got the, I call this now?
Spicy deluxe.
Spicy deluxe, and fries. But anyways, that was basically what a shopping day looks like. Prices are high everywhere, higher than they usually are.
You're gonna give them the grand total?
It should be on the screen right now. That's what the grand total is. What you like, comment below and tell me what's your typical grocery bill. Whether you shop weekly, monthly, bi-weekly, like what does that look like for you? And remember to tell me, like, do you go to one supermarket to get things, or you go to different places, you know, shop around? Because that's what we do, as you saw today. So we're gonna eat, unpack the stuff. I'm gonna edit this video so you guys can get it tomorrow, because this is the day before you're getting in. And relax for the rest of the night. So this is where I'm gonna end the video. Do I have food on? This is where I'm gonna end today's video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being on this journey with me. I'm still learning as the days go by, assimilating in the culture and in this new country, and you know, getting my feet wet, getting cold, and all of that. But it's been a beautiful journey, and I'm enjoying it.
You haven't got your feet wet yet.
What do you mean?
I
went to the pool. It's been a beautiful journey, and you know, it's different, but different good. So thank you all again, and thanks for your support. Share the video so, you know, it can educate someone so they can see what, you know, cost of living is like in different places. And leave your stories down below. Thank you all again, and I'll see you in the next video.
Rochielin, with the vlogging. Rochielin, a good thing, DIY thing. Traveling, exploring, touring. A little ear thing, a little teaching. A be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rochielin. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Cause she not boring.